Hello, crypto enthusiasts. My name is Abdusamad, known as the Crypto Oracle. In this video presentation, I'm going to show you how you can make a minimum of $300 monthly without capital in the crypto space. And this process is known as Web3, DeFi, or crypto jobs. If you are a graphics designer or video editor, or you have any digital skills at all, this is the best way for you to earn in the crypto space. I mean, Web3 jobs are simply jobs within the crypto space. So basically, think of it as you working with Web3 or crypto companies and getting paid in crypto, which is the money of Web3. I am a content creator, a video editor, a community manager, a brand ambassador, and a lot more in the Web3 space. I also create visual content on social media platforms. I have done a lot in the crypto space, and crypto jobs are simply the best because they allow newbies and people with digital skills to earn in the crypto space without capital. You get access to work with people from different places in the world from the comfort of your house, and the payout is insane. These are some of the easiest payments I got from Web3 jobs. I am a social media manager for a particular project, and I have been paid 4 times within 3 months based on my work. I post an average of 7 posts monthly, and I have made over $1,200, which is equivalent to over 1.7 million naira in 3 months. And this is one of the jobs anyone can do. This is another $100 payment I got for editing a 60 seconds video for a crypto project. And this is a payment I got for 5 graphics designs, which I outsourced to a graphics designer and I got my share from. I paid the designer 80,000 naira to create these designs, and I went home with 70,000 naira out of the money that was paid. There are jobs like these that you can outsource or partner with someone to do, and we are also going to talk about this in the Web3 Jobs Mastery Program. The entry salary level for Web3 jobs is a minimum of $300, which can increase as you go higher and have more experience. If I continue displaying results and payments here, this video is going to be too long because they are just too much. So basically, any digital skill you have is enough to earn you a minimum of $500 monthly. And even if you don't have a digital skill, there are jobs for you in the crypto space. Can you see how this could change your financial life for good? This is exactly what I am here to help you achieve with the Web3 Jobs Mastery Program. Now, let's have a little overview of some type of jobs you can do. Some of these jobs include community manager, community moderators, content writing, video creation, graphics designs, marketer or paid advertisers, legal advisors, social media manager, and ambassador. And let's talk a little bit about community moderators. This is just like you being an admin of a group and managing that community. So you deal with the updates, you deal with trying to get people not to spam the groups and all of those basic things that you do as a WhatsApp admin. So this is what you are going to be doing for this crypto project. This is another payment I got as an ambassador for a crypto exchange called Bank, where my job is just to talk about the project in a video weekly and then put the exchange link on my profile. Now, there are some things you need to do to get a Web3 jobs. But first is you need to have a simple digital skill, although none is needed for community moderation and some other jobs. Other digital skills include graphics design, video editing, and social media branding. Then you are going to need a Discord account, a Telegram account, and a Twitter account. Then you are going to need to create your resume and CV. The Web3 Jobs Mastery Program is an in-depth guide on how you can get high-paying Web3 jobs and make your first $1,000 from the crypto space without trading or investing and without any capital. And this class is going to show you how to brand yourself, how and where to get the jobs, how to approach developers and founders to give you access to these jobs. And you're also going to get access to a community that is going to guide you on this journey, where you're going to connect with other job hunters so that you can build a relationship and get jobs offer from them and from me. With a program that is guaranteed to make you over $500 on a monthly basis if you put in the work, how much do you think this course should be worth? Now, I know you have stated some amounts in mind, but let me just move to the amount I know it is worth. For me, I tag this course as priceless because this will keep making you money for life and you will grow into making hundreds of thousands of dollars and also give you capital to become a big trader in the crypto space. But that does not mean you're going to be paying $1,000 for this course. You're not even going to be paying 500 or 250. In fact, you won't even be paying $100. The cost of this program and access to the inner community is just $25, which is equivalent to 35,000 naira if you are in a country like Nigeria. But if you're in another country, you could easily convert this to your local currency. I want you to note that this program access fee will not be at $25 forever. So make sure you take action as it is going to be increasing to $100 as soon as the first 100 students are in. So take action now and cheers to financial freedom, as this is the only commitment or payment you will need to be making, and your future self is going to thank you for making this investment. You can send a DM to this number showing on your screen to make payments and to get access to the Web3 Jobs Mastery Program today. See you in class.